How to delete apps on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub. Step number 2. Go to the Apps section. Navigate to Apps using the arrow keys on your remote and select it to enter the App Store and App Management section. Step number 3. Open the Settings in Apps. In the Apps section, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cog symbol, in the upper right corner and select it. Step number 4. Select the app you want to delete. In the Settings menu, scroll through your list of installed apps and highlight the app you want to remove. Step number 5. Delete the app. Once you select the app, options will appear. Choose Delete to remove the app from your Samsung Smart TV. Confirm the deletion if prompted. Note, some pre-installed apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and Samsung TV Plus may not have the option to delete, as these are default apps that come with the TV. Step number 6. Return to home screen. After deleting, press the home button to return to the main screen.